Ooh, you're so obsessive, send another desperate message. Silk on your dress, fingerprints on your neck. I'm a prince, I'm a king, I'm the fall, I'm the spring, I'm your favorite thing. It's a dangerous thing. Dig deep, baby, dig deep. I've been waiting for this shit all week. I've been waiting for this shit all year. And right now it seems to lack fear. So, she high in the bottle, I pour up a pop. She pushing the throttle, she swears to Molly. You look like a model, belong in Bugatti. So are you my shawty? Tell me girl, are you my shawty? I swear that I boss up, I'm running up numbers. I swear that I got up out of my slumber, up out of my sleep. Up out of this sleep I've been in, up out of this sleep. Silk on your dress, fingerprints on your neck. I'm a prince, I'm a king, I'm the fall, I'm the spring, I'm your favorite thing. It's a dangerous thing, it's a dangerous thing, it's a dangerous thing. Baby, tonight all the angels are blind. Locks on the door and the clothes on the floor. The stars can align as I pray for a sign. Peace of mind. Silk on your dress, fingerprints on your neck. I'm a prince, I'm a king, I'm the fall, I'm the spring, yeah.
golden, that's golden. Let's just go and see the world and just show them what it really means to live life golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden.
Alright. I'm actually in the middle of breaking everything. So I was hoping that I had a little bit longer than the 15-minute timer that I have when I start this shit up. But so a quick rundown of where I left stuff late yesterday. As you can see over here, that's me. That right there, you see that? That's my stream. See this thing down here? This should be Destiny in chat. Actually, I want to close this one as well so I'm not fucking hammering my bandwidth. Let's check that it all resized properly because that's the last thing I was working on. Yeah, good enough. So let's move this back down here. So this is a local version that I'm running. This is actual a remote one. So let's just hide this because I don't really need it at the moment. Yeah, so I'm not too sure exactly how the fuck I broke it because it was all working fine, like not even too long ago. And then I just sort of like restarted my computer. So I turned everything off, killed all the containers that were running. And so like, yeah, this should all be pointed at the right thing, so to speak. Like I expect it not to let me log in or anything, but it should. Wait, yep, no, connecting to localhost. So maybe I have actually just made a change in this one. So just quickly jump. Oh no, wrong one. Config. I don't think this will be the right one. I think I'll need to jump into the other config, but let's just do a quick search for. Yep, nope, there we go. That's the fucking ticket. All right, so let's grab this one and we'll just do a search for, what was it? WebSocket? Chat WebSocket. Chat WebSocket. This. I don't think I should need to change it. Oh, hang on, actually. What if I did this? Because I'm pretty sure it should be running on that port specifically. So what would happen if I then kill this? And I'm not too sure if I will need to restart the PHP container. Let's do it anyway, fuck it. And we'll restart the one as well. Where are we sitting? So this is the front end, like the GUI for the chat. And then let's try opening it up. Never mind, I'm just gonna refresh it because it's a piece of shit. Still saying connecting to localhost. Why? Like this has been working like all day, all last night. Well, not all last night because I went to sleep at fuck off AM, like 4 or 5 AM. But that was all good shit at that point. So why is it now complaining? Actually, maybe I'm not running the chat. If I spin this up, I think this might be an issue because I'm not too sure if I'm exposing the Redis thingamorts for it to connect properly. But fuck it, we're just gonna do a search for this for localhost. Yep, there we go. All right, what do we got? Yep, that's 8282, which would depend on the site, like the website, running on 8282. Which it isn't. It's on 9380 for some reason. Well, at least the Nginx container is. So, what would happen if I go back here and what was it? Let's just search for local host again. And the WebSocket. Was it the WebSocket? Fuck me. Hang on. Oh, wait. I think I need to switch these back around. Maybe. Hang on, that's not the chat. Where's the chat front end? Where the fuck is chat front end? Right here. What am I saying? I checked that there isn't anything else that I needed to do in it. Let's just run TLD and then whatever. And then we'll just start it again. And pray. I'm just going to keep praying that I can unbreak however the fuck I broke it. It's not picking up anyone in there. Or I might just say fuck it and I might just start building it out on my own standalone instance. Might be the play. Hang on, what the fuck is that WordPress? Like I don't have anything specific in here, I don't think. Let me open the goddamn this. Alright. So M file, I do have a SSID. I don't think there'll be anything in here that'll affect it too much, but there might be. Homepage, license, dependencies, and just a bunch of like generic stuff around jest. Shouldn't be anything in there that would have an effect. Maybe that'll have an effect, but I'm not too sure. It looks like... Oh, hang on. Nope. Maybe this, which I think was where I was before. All right, so 8282, which means this should be the... Yeah, so that's a chat on 8282. So that's far... Hang on. But if I do this, and we don't even worry about HTTPS for it, run start. So let's start starting it again. And let's go here. No complaints, connecting. Nah, still disconnected. So maybe it's a Redis issue, which it shouldn't be having a Redis issue because like it shouldn't be even trying to connect to my thing, but to my local machine. Hang on, where is it even? Yeah, this is chat GUI. This should also be the chat GUI. And this is website. And the chat down here is running. So let's just check that there. I feel like there definitely should be some configuration in there, which doesn't look like there is. So let's just Docker compose up that. And so what's this? 1118. You know what? Let's actually jump back into this. Do I have one open already? No, I don't. Not the chat, we want the GUI. And I am just going to set this straight up to the local one, which probably won't let me connect properly, but hey, whatever. Yes, this is a demo. So this is how they have it set up on the demo. I'm actually not even too sure how I would run the demo thing. What's it? Is there like a thing in here for it? What the fuck? Huh? I literally... Oh, I pulled down the wrong fucking thing. That makes sense. All right, hold up. Let me jump back into this one. I will run it again. It's yarn run start. And let's check this one. Because this is the one that I had set up, I think. Maybe. I put down another project that someone's made a similar chat. This definitely hasn't worked, but... That. So let's check the run command again, and we'll see if there is anything in there. Start, test, prepare, lint. And we'll try it once again. Again, I'm not... Let's just do a quick search because I'm fucking lazy. And we're just going to do a search for the phrase connecting to. So maybe from here... Whoop, FRG, not FRG. Connecting... That's not how you spell that. So that doesn't appear in that project at all. But let's check this one. Seems it'll appear somewhere in here. Oh yeah, there we go. So what's this? This is in the build. That's annoying. All right, so I think it's like, I think these are the built, like compiled versions of it. I think, but I definitely could be wrong on that. I'm hoping I'll be able to jump in here. I don't think that is it. Unless I can do it in here. I don't think I can. God damn it. Alright, so let's jump back into this and we just check them all. So I'm just going to grab this, yoink, and we're going to do a big search for chat. I want to say chat WebSocket, was it? Yeah, check WebSocket URL. So this is where we define it as something else. Let's paste that real quick. And I'll then yoink that into here and hope that that will then behave as I want. I don't think I should need to have changed that because, like I said, it's been working like all day. Actually, let's kill it and I'll spin the Docker containers back up just in case that's gonna cause some issues or has caused some issues. Nope. Let's check the network fucking calls. What the fuck? Why do I have cause issues? That is weird. Let's refresh it. Why do I have cause issues? I think I did actually change it from HTTP somewhere. Probably not actually in that one. I think it was in the chat GUI. Was it in here? It might have been in here. Yeah. So let's do that. I'm just going to leave that as it is. CDN, whatever. This again, I am pointing it to this, which again, like, so it's been pulling the chat correctly from Destiny's chat, but I'm not too sure why it's suddenly fucking broken. Is it like a build that I should be running? Nope, Webpack serve. And I don't want to have to actually run like a Webpack build or anything. And where am I running it? Let's kill that one in type. Shit, wrong one. Spin that one back up, kill the chat here. And I think we're going to run this. And I mean, fuck it, let's run this. I expect there'll be a lot of bad errors at this point because there isn't a backend that's going to be trying to communicate to. Let's refresh. Yeah, no. So that's not running. But why not? Boom, boom. All right, let's just check what it's complaining about. Not too much, actually. There we go. 404 for the source map loader, that's fine. Check if these they are returning what it should be returning. This might actually be where it is complaining. And why the fuck has it actually redirected to his... Oh, nope, there we fucking go. There we go. All right, cool. So if I jump back up over here, I don't know if I have to refresh it. And we have successfully stolen Destiny's chat once again. I'm still not too sure why it's saying connecting to localhost here. And then we can just see all of these retards posting. I hope I don't get banned for saying retard on Twitch, because I'm a very big fan of saying retard, especially when these retards are going on. So something that I also want to take a look at is this, which someone has just posted in chat. Russell something. This, Russell search. It looks like it is just a compilation of every message that's ever been sent in the chat, more or less. And because I don't want to have to do anything fancy with it, I'm gonna hang on. Initially, we're going to spin up our own backend for this chat. So, like I have currently have it set to yoink, sneaky, Destiny's chat. We're going to run it locally, at least for now. And then I want to pipe it into this, so I need to take a look at setting all of this up. And I'm also going to, unfortunately, need authentication, blah, 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 blah. I'm currently using Nextauth for authentication on this site, which I haven't set up as a nice, clean way of signing in. Actually, I'm not even going to bother doing that. But yeah, yeah, that's that on that. I'm going to make a couple of quick changes to the layout of it. So let's drop that back up there. So just to remove some of the extraneous padding in this sort of mode, and something that if I have his site still up somewhere, there we go. Let me refresh it so I can actually access the chat. So a couple of things that I'm going to yoink as well is the, hang on, why is this down here and not over there? There we go. These little links for other streamers and that kind of shit. And cinema mode, which will show and hide the, like the shit around it more or less. So for example, just for the sake of showing the desired result, I'm going to move this back over here so we can sort of have a closer comparison. So the stream wrap here currently has a bunch of padding. So we would drop out the padding and then we would hide the header just entirely. Display none. So the reason that this hasn't automatically gone straight up to the top is because at least I'm pretty sure. Yeah, there we go. I've added padding around one of the big screen wrappers. Wherever the fuck I put it. There it is. There. And here. And yep, no, that's right. Cool. So it would drop up into this sort of a view, which is much more similar to, actually, let me just drop these down so we can get a more or less a one-to-one comparison. So it'll take up the entire viewport, and then switching it back would then allow you to navigate around the site again. Something else that I'm going to fucking yoink is all of this section. So things like the subscribe button, the donate button. I do currently have I'm going to need to jump back home. I started to set up the subscribe section. And a little while ago, when I was first setting everything up, I linked it through to Stripe and just set these sort of as a placeholder to make sure everything would probably work like you'd expect. So these subscriptions do actually work. And by actually work, I mean, I've got it set in test mode currently, but I really don't want like this here at all. It was just to sort of see how it would work, make sure that everything would function properly. But, and like I said, I've taken a lot of inspiration from Destiny's site, as you can probably tell. So clicking on the subscribe here would then take you to another page where you've sort of got a couple of options, all of that good stuff. And I have stolen a lot of the copy because I hate copywriting. At some point I'll come back through and rewrite any of that, but for now it's fine. But yeah, so I'll probably actually, hang on, hold up, wait a minute. Something that I do want to tackle is this spacing. So I've set the sort of like the embed size explicitly for this page, but that means it fucks up on the homepage as well. The simple solution to that is, where the fuck is it? The stream wrap has a 100% width there. So just turning that off. That's exactly how I want it to look. So I'm going to do that one right now. And I'm literally just going to copy and search for it for the sake of being fucking lazy. Component stream panel. Actually, maybe I'll add, this is, I'm really hoping that I haven't used the same stream panel for both, because that's going to cause some issues. I think I have, god damn it. All right, so I'm going to jump into the homepage or the landing page, whatever the fuck I called it, index. Index. Nope. What the fuck is it? Or maybe it's in the header fucking, let's just do a header. Page header? Is it in here? Can I do a search stream? Nope. Fuck it, I'm just searching stream panel. Stream panel stream. Yeah, so it's in the header title was where I fucking left it. Where is it? It is, nope, that's that one. So this is stream panel here. I'm not too sure why it's formatted like that. Not a huge fan. I don't know why it hasn't automatically formatted. I'll probably need to fix that bad boy up. Alright, so what are we looking at? Boom, 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 boom. Stream panel. I'm currently not passing anything into this, but I'm going to make a util function that fetcher. Actually, no, yeah, let's. Oh, actually, yeah. Anyway, so the get stream live details is. I just forgot that I wrote that one, but that is what I'm going to use for the title section. So that's going to be here. It'll automatically populate based on the current stream title instead of the janky hard coding that I have at the moment, which is what it is. Anyway, so I'm going to hang on. What the fuck was I doing? Function, boom, 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 whatever. I can't make a file like that, so I'm going to touch. What should we call this? I guess we want to get current page. There's probably a Next.js helper function for it. So I might actually run that through ChatGPT because I'm fucking lazy. But let's call it current page helper.ts. And not that one. Do I have a... I do not. All right, so I'm going to jump to here. I'm literally just going to get ChatGPT to do this one for me because it will be more familiar with whatever the best practice is with the latest version of Next.js. And I am a little bit silly. Cool. So I want boom, 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 generate a utils file for Next.js. I'll just check what version I'm running. And I am using the pages router as well still for this, when I probably should be using the app router, but fuck it. Utils for Next.js for next. I'm just going to paste this in. Next.js 14 in TypeScript. That will return the relative page. So the reason that I want to set up a helper for that is a couple of reasons. Initially, and in this instance, I'm just going to add it to the homepage or not to the homepage, sorry, to the embedded stream component. And then I'll use that to conditionally set the, use path name next navigation. Conditionally set the styling as appropriate. Boom. Export. Boop. Hang on, I'm actually going to need to grab this. And where is it? Stream panel. There we go. So we want to import this. Not that. What was the function called? Use relative page. Yep, that's about right. I don't think I should need to specify TS on the end of that. Yoink. And is this... Hopefully I can actually just straight up run that. Like I don't need to use an effect or anything to handle it on load. Const relative page, use relative page. So let's grab this. Where is the styling? So this is where hang on, where do I set the styling? Jesus Christ. I think it was one of the wrappers. Stream panel? Nope. Nope. Iframe? It can't be the iframe. Stream wrap. Yeah, stream wrap. All right, so let's just do, yep, no, that's that one. You know what, actually, just for the sake of it, let's literally just spit out the fuck. God damn it. There we go. Echo the current page just to make sure that it is going to do what I think it will do. So it should be around here somewhere. Maybe not. Maybe it has not done it. Was it stream wrap that we spat it out? Nope. I'm going to give it a refresh. Oh, fuck. I didn't actually put the value in there. That makes a lot of sense. Somewhere around here is where we expect to see it added in. Yeah, all right, cool. So that's that one. And then let's jump into the big screen. And there's the big screen. Cool, that's perfecto. Maybe we want to strip the leading slash off it. Maybe not. Let's make another function that will return. Whoops, shit. Returns true if the current page is a home page. That is exactly what we want. Wrong thing. And I'm going to grab this and back it in here. And then instead of the use relative page action, we're going to jump here, and this should say false up the top, hopefully. Oop, hang on. Use relative page isn't defined. Oh, shit, that makes sense. Because I didn't import it. Why is it not copying that properly? Let's just close all of these extraneous files. Use is homepage, yoink. Use is homepage. Oh, right. Idiot. And by idiot, I mean myself. So this should say false somewhere around here. Hopefully. Maybe. If the styling hasn't fucked up significantly. Or maybe it won't say anything. I'm actually not too sure if it will output false if it's false. But this definitely should be outputting true. Let's just chuck a quick ternary operator in here. So let's go boom. Oh, fuck it. Relative page, boom, boom. I'm not too sure if that actually is how you write a ternary in TypeScript, because it's been a little while. Doesn't look like it is outputting anything, so maybe I just broke everything. Maybe I did break everything. See if this is complaining. Doesn't look like it's complaining. Let's grab this. And it was in the stream panel, I'm pretty sure, is where I added it. Not in the stream wrap. Oh, maybe it was in the stream wrap. So let's probably move that out of the stream wrapper and put it here. And this should then jump up to about here. And this should also be up about there. So let's take a look here. God, that is exactly what I wanted to do. No short ternary, normal ternary. That's what I should have been doing the whole time. All right, let's refresh it again and pray that it is going to be doing what it should be doing at this point. Yep, cool. That's great. So I'm going to comment that out and get rid of that one because it's fucking pointless. We can probably get rid of this as well. And in here, we want to style Actually, I have no clue what that'll do, so let's just see what it does. See how it looks. Let's just have a quick, like, think over it. Width 100%, margin order, outline, accent color, text color, opacity. I mean, that's going to be exactly the same. Yeah, it's just added a border around the border. Anyway, we're going to grab all of these, and what we want to do, I don't know if I can do this. No, will that work? Unexpected token div, expected JSX identifier. So maybe that should be one of these. I think maybe. Yeah, that looks about, well, looks a little bit better. And I think I did it the wrong way around. So if the relative page, actually, I want to rename it. Fuck. I want to rename it. So I think that's renaming. God damn it. All right. Is home. And we're going to do that. Is home should be defined. Fuck off. Yeah, so that's home now. Cool. So then we want to invert this. So if we're on the home page, we want it to be, I think it was about 40 rem, but hang on. Can I select default or something like that? I'm not too sure what the right choice would be. Width. What do we have? Auto, fit content, inherit, max, min, reverse, stretch, unset. Let's go 30%. I'm just going to scroll this out until it sits at about, nah, not a big fan. We do just want to drop that value. I'm pretty sure. I'm not too sure why I didn't shrink back down though. So let's just do another search for width in case there's something else running in there. Fuck it. We'll just throw this into that and we'll go 40 RAM. Maybe a little bit less, 35. Let's drop that over. Nah, I like 40. Cool. And just for the sake of mobile, I'll just pop it over there into that. I mean, what if, like, I literally just get rid of this and hit him with that? Like, what will this do? Just removing the actual tag for the width? I have no clue what that's going to do. Because it is providing a width tag, but, oh yeah, no, it's just superseding it with the one that's inherited. All right, so let's get rid of this, and we want that to be 40 RAM. And give it a moment to reload, hopefully. There we go. Yep, that's nice. And then we want this one to be 100%. Boom. Nice. And then if I move this over, should do exactly that. Cool. That's the first step of the bullshit that I want to try pulling off today. Cool. So that's that is this. This sits nicely here. I do want a default like placeholder, like loading image for the iframe. I'm not too sure how to go about setting that. I'm gonna actually give that a quick Google. How to set a loading iframe background. Like maybe I should just set it and allow itself to load ID source style. Well, let's just do this, which is sort of what I was saying, of let it set the background color for it and just let it work it out itself as it's trying to load. So let's go boom. Is there anything else? Like, I'm not too sure if that's actually, no, that's definitely wrong. Background color, and I hate React choosing to not abide by like standards. And did that work? I'm not too sure. Let's kill this one and we'll give it a refresh. Not that one. I want to refresh this. I don't think that has taken effect. Yeah, that's the root color of this outline, background color. Oh, accent 500, it's not, what? Oh, all right, so let's go. What's the background color that I've got set over everything? All right, so let's check this. Good enough. Let's just, oh, maybe I could go with that one. VN, boom, boom, boom. Let's see how that behaves. I don't think it is behaving. This is not that one, the iframe here. So let's make this just some silly color like bright blue. Yeah, that's not taking effect. But let's try adding a background color to the thing. What's it? Like, let's call, oh yeah, no, that's the entire thing. I am going to get rid of the source and see if I can set it like this. Document, because I'm not too sure if I'm able to edit the HTML document like from an iframe because it is like embedded. It doesn't seem that it's taking effect like I want. Hang on, what's this? This is driving me nuts, but I found a solution seems to work in fucking Internet Explorer. An iframe fires onload immediately, so I'll put in a loader and surprise onload twice. All right, so if I was to do that, document game, let's keep the student with this frame only. Yeah, nah. Onload. Like this is, we're getting a bit silly with the copy and pasting here, but so this is that. So let's try this. Visibility. I mean, that's definitely not what I wanted to do, but let's see what it does. Thank you, Copilot. All right, so we want to set that to hidden, and then what was it? Something like onload. Oop, yep, onload. I don't know if I can provide the onload. Yes, I can. So let's see what this does. Let's see what happens. Yeah, nothing, and then it loads in. Hopefully, hopefully it loads in. Seems like it might not be loading in. Do we get any errors? Whoop. The page is setting block and inline script being executed because it violates the Stripe fucking permissions. All right. Components objects deprecated, doesn't matter. Yeah. So I don't think I am going to be able to do that how I wanted, which is kind of disappointing nonetheless. But let's just jump back into Google and see if we can find anything else in there. Display loading message. Actually, a loading message could go pretty okay. On ready, display none, load it, just wait, what? All right, let's grab this and this, whack that in there. I don't like, I'm just going to grab all of this and make use of ye old Copilot being amazing at boilerplating shit. So let's grab all of that, comment it out, and hopefully it'll auto suggest all of it. And it's not going to. Come on, buddy, you can do it. There we go. So then we comment that out. That should be right, I think. Yep, that's the loading section at least. But I'm then going to need to add in this thingamwhat's. And I obviously don't want it to be that big. But actually, maybe we could do a. We do have a state in here, so let's go const embed loaded. Embed loading, set embed loading. So hang on, loading, we don't want loading, we want loaded. And we're going to set false by default. And then we're going to add an effect that does exactly that. So we'll get that. I'm still getting that background, which I don't like, but I guess maybe I should just suck it up. Maybe I should just suck it up and accept it. What's the width? Margin order. Is there anything specific in here that's sort of set in it? No, not really. Yeah, I guess we just sort of suck it up and accept that we're going to have a bit of a messy loading thingamwhat's on the homepage. Yeah, that's fine. Whatever. All right, so let's undo all of that bullshit that I just whacked in there. Whoop, nope, not that one. Oh, sorry. Yes, let's delete that one as well. And get rid of all of that. Cool. We can delete that as well. And that should be about right. Obviously, again, we'll need to change this. And I'm just going to do this manually right now. If I've got the Twitch somewhere around here. I've got way too many browsers open. Cool. And let's yoink the title just straight into here. Let's yoink. Where the fuck did I set the title? I want to say that I set it on the homepage. Nope. Header title. Nope. Oh, yeah, no, there it is. So, boom. Let's just see how this looks, because that's a rather long title. Maybe I should add something in there to handle like string splitting too, because I have a habit of setting my titles to include one of these bad boys. I don't actually know what the right term is. It's a pipe. Fuck knows what the actual term for it is. But anything after that pipe is sort of like the language is what I'm doing, blah, 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 all that boring stuff. So I'm just gonna, I really don't want to do it in here, but I'm going to help a function to, don't want that, to remove any text from the stream title after the first character. That's fucking useless. Cool. Whoop, that's the wrong one. Whoop, that's also the wrong one. Yeah, I don't think that it should be that. God, there we go. Oh, actually, hang on, caption. I mean, it is a stream title, but we're passing it as a caption, so fuck it. Nope, we want this return string. Boom. I don't know why that didn't auto clean for me. And, I mean, you know what? Let's go const. Actually, we're not passing in the title at all anywhere. So, let's do this. Whoop. And yep. I'm not too sure if that'll work, but we'll find out. Nice, that worked. I'm also not too sure if I want to have this here or anything like that, but we can deal with that later. So I definitely need to, I'm going to throw a to-do into this as well. Move to a utility file. So if we join the chat, it is pretty okay. Yeah, so some of the other stuff that I'm going to be liberating from Mr. Destiny is, where is one of these? That's all ones that I'm running locally, I think. Yeah, all right, so let's go to this actual chat. I'm just going to mute this just in case he starts streaming or something. All right, so this section, these bad boys. Oop, and I've lost it. Let's move this back over here. So this is, so that's the embed section. So that's a stream wrap. It is included in the stream wrap. So I'm actually just going to yoink it entirely, like outright yoink it. And components. I don't think I've got like a nice section for it really, to be honest. Let's make another folder. And this can be for our NKD. I mean, let's just call this stream, I guess, or viewing. The terminology, big screen. Actually, yeah, fuck it, let's go with big screen. Cool. And then in here, I'm going to need to touch. What was it called? It's called stream controls. Do I capitalize? I am. Stream controls.tsx. Boom. Fuck. All right, and I'm just going to paste that in as is real quick. Do we want a state? Do we need a link? I'm not even too sure what we will need. We don't need any of that sort of stuff. I think we'll just need to set like a title and then a couple of like the subscribe and donate buttons. So let's literally, let's go with that. I will add, like I'll just import it all in case I do want to use it. But, what's this? This is stream controls. And I want to define it as a React FC. And let's just going to return it as is for now. And I think we're going to need to export it as a default. Boop. Yeah, export default. I mean, like I may as well just export it there, but whatever. I've started to format it like that, so I'm going to stick with it. So that's going to be on this one. So we're going to import this. Where was it? I think it was in this. I don't know if I capitalized it or not for that path. I did not. Boom. All right, so let's grab this and we're going to whack it. So this is where I am. We want it to sit outside of that. So maybe, hang on, what the fuck is a host pool container? Let's slap it here and see what happens. Can't resolve it. Components, big screen, string controls. Components, I'm just going to yoink it from here because I don't know if I capitalized everything properly. That should be right? Should be. Hello? Style property mapping from styles, not a string. That's what I get for copying and pasting. Hang on. I am literally going to get ChatGPT to format that one for me as well, because once again, I'm lazy. Optimize this as a React component and create an associated style sheet. Boom. Fuck, that wasn't what I meant to send. So I want to cancel that, jump back in here, and associated style sheet. So if I don't want to actually grab it like that. We need another thing to reference. Something probably that's like clean-ish. Yeah, that's probably a fine example. Boom, 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 boom. This is an example as to how it should be formatted and set up. And let's, what the fuck's all of this? Yoink. Cool. So I'm gonna be to that, and I'm gonna jump into the styles, and we're just, I'm definitely gonna add it into components. What the fuck am I saying? Oh fuck, I can't do it like that. Styles, components, push, boom. No, I think that's the wrong one. There we go. There, yeah, nope, not quite far enough. Let's close that. And hopefully that'll then load. Oh no, because I need to set the actual path, which is then components. So this should be fine. It might complain that it can't find the module styling, but it might not. Because we're going to need to spend a bit of time in there fixing it up anyway, so it doesn't really matter too much. Cool, so there is our thing. Let me just check if it's, whoop. Are these as buttons? Kind of. Alright, so let's jump onto the homepage, or maybe even the header. So where's a button that I use here? Chat, nope. Where the fuck did I put it? And so let's go back to my homepage, right? Join chat. Oh, actually, subscribe. Fuck it. Subscribe. It should be on the, not that one, header CTA. That's where it should be. So button subscribe is, please tell me I didn't just whack it in here. I just whacked it in here. Alright, whatever. Holy shit, there's a lot of buttons that I just whacked in here. move all these buttons to the right place. Right. But, fuck it. Move all of these buttons to their own components. There we go. Boop. Anyway, the subscribe button, this one. There you go. I really don't like doing that. I really don't like making even more of a mess than I need to, but boom. And boom. Alright, so where is the sub? Is there. Boom. Like, it's gonna fuck up a lot, but hey. What's this complaint about? Link is not defined. Okay, fair. I think it's from next link, not. Boom, 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 boom. And I need CLX as well. Boom. All right, that should be right. Cool. That is a little bit better. So we've got the subscribe button. I don't think I want that. I will get rid of it. Nope. Didn't work. Refresh this one so I can see how it all sort of lays out. Don't want cinema mode. Fuck that. Fuck everything up. So maybe that is, hang on, so this is stream controls. We need to wrap this in the, in the big screen layout thingamwhatsit. Or, hang on, put it above that. Let's see what that'll do. Not quite there, so let's put it below that. Hopefully. Once it decides it wants to load. It'll sit nicely around here. Hopefully. Nice enough, I guess, maybe. So it's like, I'm pretty sure that this, right, is then in the stream wrap. So maybe I do need to do that as well. So where's my stream wrapper? It's big screen layout, big screen layout. Like, I really don't want to have to put it into the stream panel because then it'll be thrown onto the home page. Maybe it doesn't need to be thrown on the home page because I'm already checking if I'm on the home page. Big brain moment. All right, so let's grab the stream controls, move it into the stream panel, into the wrapper, and we want to place it here or maybe one below that. But let's shove it there for now. And now, where the fuck should I? Yeah, that goes there, that can go there. I can close that one, jump back over to... Actually, I might just be able to slap it like that. Straight into it and import it into here. So we're going to get this both on the home page and this page. Yeah, that's about right. Like, ignoring all of the bullshit. That's about right. Let's kill this div entirely. So we delete that. And then maybe we should set it to float right or something like that. Padding, 1 rem, float right, control buttons. I want it to pile like on top of each other. So let's grab this and just see if there's, yep, that is about what I'd want. So that's control buttons. Let's whack that into here and move it back over. Is it display that's incorrect for it? Grid. Yeah, there we go. I think. Do we have a control group actually? So we've got control buttons, control group. Ooh, hang on. And what the fuck's this? That's the embed. That's the entire wrap around it. Okay, yeah. So that's this. So this, that, yoink that, whack that into this. along with all of these. And then we should have a pretty close representation of how it looks there. Cool. And then from there, the control buttons. I think that's on mine. And where's the control group? Because this is control buttons. And it's a control group. Control group, control group, control group. There is no control group. That's fine. Oh, that's the, what you call it? The active status. But, so let's grab these. Yoink. Control buttons. I think that's actually exactly the same. And check how it looks now. And this, let's jump that back over. There's really not too much here to take effect, I don't think. So like if I grab all of this, I think it's just going to overwrite my own button configuration, which is pretty fine how it is, to be honest. So let's then jump into like that button, right? So if I slap this in here, it gets a little bit silly. Cool. All right, so I'm gonna refresh it, refresh them both. And we'll then go back through and set up the, let's say stream, boom, 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 wrong one, stream wrap, embed stream controls, stream controls. Yoink. Boom. So moving that straight across, that's about the right amount of spacing. That can probably disappear, but so that's a stream control group, right? Yeah, so fuck me. Stream control group is this. I have lost it, I think, just because I like cut it out. Yeah. But maybe we could actually replace that with a button or a badge or something like that. So do we actually have a span in here? We do, but it doesn't have any of these. So let's grab this. What's that? Span. I don't want that, but I might actually be able to do it this way. Plus equals boom. And then add a space. Let's see what that has done. I guess I don't have the badge set up. Do we add badge? Yeah, we added badge danger. So let's grab that and boop, boop, boom. Didn't quite format it as nicely, but hey. I'll probably go through and add all of the badges later down the line. But for now, where are we going? So this is that information that we don't want at the moment. Yeah, so I'm actually going to set the group. Hang on, where the fuck is this? Was it class or ID? Salsa group. All right, so we're going to go to group. Display, whoop, none. And hopefully that'll then have got rid of it. Failed to compile. Oh, fuck. Thank you. Yeah, cool. That's a lot nicer. I do kind of need more screen real estate, but I will ignore it for now. So let's jump back up here. So we've gotten rid of the controls group. The controls themselves, however, we will need to add in. So I might be able to yoink it like that. I don't know if this will work. I don't think it'll work, but let's see if it works. Not too sure if it did or if it didn't. So that was stream controls. Maybe I need to refresh so it will update all of the random changes that I made to it. So boom, boom. Controls group. If I, let's see what would happen if I deleted that. That was what would happen. All right, so maybe, All right, I'm going to refresh this again, and I'm going to just sort of add in a default height, like explicitly set the height in there and the width or something like that, so that it behaves as if this data was in there. And what if I grab this? Actually, yoink. And we probably want to get rid of the display num. All right, yeah, now we'll just hard code it all in. So control group, we want it to be, let me grab my own control group. Right, we want the, what's the width? There's like fucking, hang on, none of that is applied, has it? Yeah, none of that's actually been applied. Let's yoink. Oh, shit. Is there an explicit setting of the width in there at all? I don't think there is. But whatever. All right, so let's set it to what was like 20 RAM. Oh, actually, we're probably going to need to do something for the container around it, because these... Oh no, maybe that's fine. Yeah, no, that's probably fine. System control group. Right, so what's width? 300 pixels it is. Cool. And let's just make sure that looks about right. It does. Control badges. I don't want to care about any of that. Nope. I do want to care about that. Don't want to care about that control group. So then control buttons. So we want this. And that's over the control buttons. Boom. And this. Boom. If I move that over, not quite right. So let's check that these don't have anything weird going on with them, or the thing, what's it, on either side actually. So let's check that I haven't set anything weird in here. Height, it's probably fine. Min width, that is definitely not what I fucking want. What the fuck? Button solid. Yeah. Let's go with, let's just scroll these. Yeah, like fit content is probably going to be the right one. But I'm not too sure why they aren't floating, or why these ones are floating and they aren't. So what's that? That is the before, after, body, blah, 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 blah. So let's jump into here. Can I just go float right? And I don't think I want any of those ones. So this one can stay. You can go delete node. Donate can also stay. That can go as well. And probably that one as well. So if I leave it like that, that's okay, I guess. Let's grab this and we're going to copy and paste it for this one, just for the layout. So if we do that, we're going to get another subscribe button below it, and I'm just going to change the text from subscribe to donate. Boom. And then we can get rid of this one as well. And I think I want to change this from, what's the class that I've got on it? Solid, min, button. I don't remember what the darker one. This one. What's this class? Outline. So let's jump. Fucking, I think it's that one. Yeah, cool. So we want to switch this from solid to outline. Whoop. Boom. Yeah, that looks a lot nicer. And we probably want to do exactly the same thing for this, maybe, but maybe not. Yeah, maybe not. Let's keep bumping this. Actually, let's go to RAM. And we just keep bumping it up till it is something a bit more comfortable. G'day. Thank you for the raid of a whole bunch of people. Give me a second just to pull up Twitch again because I can't see shit properly. Mr. T2SDE, thank you for the raid. I'm just here absolutely struggling with everything. So hopefully you guys can find a bit of enjoyment in watching me struggle. So just a quick rundown for everyone that's just been dragged in against their will. I'm working on making a site that's very similar to Destiny's site. Like, I love the concept of having something that's not tied to a specific streaming platform. And this is it. That's what I'm working on at the moment. So hopefully you guys will stick around, have a good time, etc., etc. Yeah, so at the moment, I'm just trying to get all of these goddamn buttons sort of looking about right. And if you're wondering what this chat is down here, I've quite literally stolen Destiny's chat. He does have it open source and it runs on Redis, so I will be running my own chat backend eventually. But for now, just for like proof of concept purposes, I've yoinked that bad boy. Ignore all of the retards in that chat, but it's a thought that counts. Where was I? Back onto the home page. Where the gosh darn hell did I put the button? So this is that one. I'm just going to do a quick search for... Fuck it, I'm just going to search for subscribe. Header CTA, that's where it is. Oh, god damn it. I'm going to add another to-do to move this into a proper file. So a lot of this is pretty slapdash, just to sort of get everything working. Eventually, I'll spin up a nice Laravel backend. But for now, it's just running straight on Vercel, which might actually be able to do everything that I could want to do down the line. But I'm a lot more familiar with Laravel, and I don't want to cop a 6-figure Vercel fee because I fucked up a lambda function. So these, I think I'm probably hide. Play, none, maybe not. Let's get rid of that text. Where the fuck is it? In here. I may as well leave that. So, actually, I don't want to refresh this because these are in a pretty okay position. So to get the state as it is currently, like that. What do I need to get rid of? I think I want to leave this one. I think I want to get rid of all of these buttons. And I will need to add in a donate button, which I don't even know if I have a donate button set up at the moment anywhere. So unfortunately, I'm going to do exactly the same thing that I've done here of making a function somewhere that it fucking shouldn't be. Button, exactly that. Thank you very much, Copilot. Donate. And then we can close that out. And that one. And then just yank that straight down to here. And let's see what happens. You can do it, buddy. You can reload. Looks like shit, but okay. I think I need to change this one from solid to, what was it? Outline. That's the one. And then jumping back. I do actually like the idea of having like a little dollar sign in there. Is this a like font awesome icon, or is it straight up a thing? What's it? Lucid. I've never heard of that. I'm assuming this is like another font awesome-esque icon provider, but not too sure. If you could load, that would be great. Yeah, fair enough. I don't know if I want to include an additional library when I could just copy the SVG. And let's pray that looks okay. It looks okay to me. Not bad, not bad, not bad. I'm going to need to do something to add a gap between these bad boys. So where are we? This is control buttons. Display. I think we probably want to display flex and flex direction thingamawhatsit. How did I have it set over here? And it's reloaded anyway, so I can't find out. This one I think it was, yeah. So we're going to display flex direction, not flex flow. Column, and maybe I do just want to set the width to a more reasonable size. Fit content. Yeah, let's go fit content, and then am I able to float right on that just because I'm fucking lazy? Not bad, not bad, not bad. And then I don't know if I need to add a gap here. Yep, nope, that's about right. So let's go 0.5 rem. Never mind, definitely 1 rem. For the padding. And now I should hopefully be able to get rid of this one. And it should be okay. I'll probably need to add a, so where's this wrap? That's the controls. Let's add a padding of inherit. I love not having to think about it. I'm a little bit worried when I move this over to a smaller size. Nope, that's pretty good. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Cool. So let's check the changes that I made, and I'm going to need to add all of these in. So this is the controls, and into the controls stream controls module. So what was it? It is this one, which I'm just going to copy. And I'll probably need to get rid of the dash because it never likes dashes. Styles. Hang on, what was that? That was the control buttons. Control buttons. Buttons. This one. So that is actually straight up called buttons. So I can do that, and hopefully, I mean, it's going to break everything as soon as it reloads, but hopefully that'll be a bit closer. Nice, nice, nice. Let's uncomment that. Cool. What else do we need to do? Stream control group. Stream controls. Let's go to this one. Oh no, that's that's just the hiding that text that was there. So stream controls. Controls. It's that one. So it's definitely a failing on my end that I don't know how to reference these properly, but I'm just gonna replace the comma, not a comma, the dash with an underscore, and then pull it in. Oh no, never mind, I can just use that one like that, and that should space these out perfectly. Nice, cool. So making pretty decent progress, as long as we ignore the fact that I'm still stealing someone else's chat and I can't see my own chat or anything like that. Cool, yeah, that's not bad. I might pull in the same the same sort of stream title that I have here, and I need to add a check on homepage to not show these buttons. So I'll do that one first. I think it's in the header CTA, I think. Oh no, it's in the stream panel. So in here, we're just going to, what is it? What did I call it? Oh, is home. Is home, and that looks about right to me. Boom, boom. Oh, hang on. That, maybe I need two of those. That looks a little bit off, but yeah, no, that's right. Cool. I really need to format this properly. I need to run a linter over it, but I'll do that later. Cool. So what else was it? Chat panel, stream panel, index, pay, and I think it's CTA. Yeah, CTA. So let's get rid of these. And where do I set the, not that. Maybe it is just on the homepage or index page. Nope. I don't think it's here. Join chat. Just gonna do a search for this to see which file it is actually in. There we go. Should be here. It's not here. Oh yeah. Oh, is it header text stack? Yeah, it's header text stack. Header title. Sorry. So let's grab this, and then we can shove that into the the stream panel as well. So we want the controls. Actually, no, we'll put it into the controls, and then we'll put it into this section here. So let's just literally, let's drop this here and just whack that into it roughly around here and see what happens. Hopefully it'll appear around here. Please don't crash my computer. Let's stop the script. I'm actually just going to kill that and reopen it. Oh, nope, things are getting a little bit laggy. There's no errors or anything that I can see, but I have no clue what it's causing that. Hold up. So this is a big screen here, so it should also be available on this page. Let's close that. Never mind. Where do we hide it? We hid the group. Yeah, so that should be fine. It should be displaying it. What is going on here that is causing adding text to have an issue? Like the fuck? Allegedly. Let's check the core stack real quick. Let's drop that out. None of these look like they should be causing this issue. Oh, hang on. Options has been optimized out. All right. So, where was it? I had a title. Oh, fuck, wrong one. All right, yeah, that makes sense. So let's export that as a default, and I'll export that as well. And we want to import this from there instead of header title. Oop. And then header, and then boom. So hopefully that'll then resolve it. Hopefully. Or my computer will blow up. So if I suddenly stop streaming for some reason, it's because I have died in a freak computer explosion accident. Nope, it is not enjoying this. All right, let's close this, reload it. Oh yeah, no, we are actually getting errors. Element type is invalid, expected as string, got undefined. I've definitely imported that, so let's jump into header title. Maybe that isn't how you export functions. I don't know. I don't usually use functions. I usually do it as a fucking const. Fuck. It has been a hot minute since I have... Is that how you spell string? Come on, not chat GPT. The Microsoft equivalent of it seems to be busted as well. All right, whatever. So let's get rid of this, undo that. Like that does look right to me, but it's been a fair while since I've needed to write them like that. Export. I don't want that. I want not that. Jump back. This. I'm not too sure if it should be written like that. Like I think there might need to be a comma in there. Element type is invalid, blah, 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 blah. Nope. Maybe that's right. Expected that, got that. Yeah, it's just been a hot minute. Export default. Can I do it like that? Like, will that behave? And then let's jump back up here and export that as well. Like, will that behave? No. Can I see the cool stack anywhere? Not really too much help at all. Stream title, like that is what it's called, right? And it is in that file, right? Yes. I'm actually just gonna make a component for it. Fuck it. Instead of being an idiot about it. Drop down layer, modal, meta, profile section, maybe sections. Yeah. What do we call it? Stream title.tsx. And I'm just going to yoink that. And we're going to go up into title. Not that one. So there's components, I think. Yes. Section stream title. And boom. Section title. I'll probably also need to import. So where's section title defined? Hopefully not in the same place. That is not right at all. But header title is where it is all set. So we can go select that. Hang on, actually, section title I think was somewhere else. Yeah, section title is, hang on. Yeah, that's the, so we can paste that one into here. And that might be about right. So it's path, components, sections, stream title. V in, doom, boom. I realize that I don't have screen keys running at the moment. Let me just fire that up real quick. And check if it's working. Cool. Now you guys can see when I type in any passwords. All right, so where we're sitting, can't resolve util stream title, which makes sense because it doesn't fucking exist. So that was actually also from in here. Hang on, stream title, section title, yeah. Boom. I don't know if I do actually export it from there at all, so that probably you'll complain I can't find it. Or I am doing something very wrong with how I'm calling it. So that's stream controls. Oh, it does actually want a title provided. All right. Good enough. I can't believe I have been that silly. Hang on. So stream title is actually a default export, so we can get rid of that. Hang on, what did that just say? Clean stream title is not exported, which also does make sense. Clean stream title. Can I do that? Is that allowed? Is that legal? Nope. Again, not getting enough information out of this complaint is really annoying. So let's get rid of that, and I'm just going to copy and paste it because I am really, really, really lazy. So let's whack that in there, and then, hang on, is it stream controls? Or stream title? Stream title. So then we can get rid of that one, and that should be about right. Or not. I have no clue what the fuck it's complaining about, in all honesty. Come on, ChatGPT, don't fail me now. Boom, 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 boom. Let's make a new chat. Boom, get rid of that. Get rid of that, I said. Here's my error. Here is... Whoop, I don't know why that didn't behave. Fuck's sake. Boom, 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 boom. Actually, let's undo that. We'll go back to the top. Boom. And we are importing it into here. So I'm going to need to grab this one. Whoop, shit. Boom. Whoop. Yoink. Boom. Boom. I'm just going to let that run, work out what the fuck's going on, because I cannot decipher that goddamn message for shit. It is kind of annoying, like, especially, like, exclusively in React, like, it won't tell you, like, hey, this is the exact thing that you're importing incorrectly. Check the export stream title, make sure it is exporting it correctly. If it's a named export. Oh, that does make a little bit more sense. So stream title. Where the fuck stream title? That stream title. So let's jump back into this. Not that one, this one. Which one do I like the look of more? They're pretty much identical, I think. So let's grab this and paste it here and just comment this straight out and see what happens. Expression expected. Probably because of that and a double comment on those lines. Yeah, so that means that that error was not the one that it's actually complaining about. Is it a named export? No, it is a default export, so we should be able to do that. Oh, fuck me, I forgot to add the goddamn @ for the import, and I have a feeling that will be the entire issue. Like, the entire thing that I was just fucking around with, all of that was just because did the wrong, because I missed the fucking, the shortcut for it. So hopefully, today, Junior, there we go. There we go. That's disappointing. Anyway, let's grab these. We want to probably shrink this down a little bit. So let's go with big content. That's about right. And then, hang on, these should be in the same goddamn thing, aren't they? Not too sure what the best method would be. Maybe inline flex and then set width to 100%. Hang on. Then why is that then floating to the left? Yeah, that looks about right. All right, cool. So let's then grab all the changes that we just made. Stream controls. Stream control group? No, it isn't. So it's just straight up stream controls. We removed the display initial, which is not there anywhere. So let's grab this stream controls, which is that one. So take me back here, please. So this is what we want to add in. And it'll probably fuck everything up the second that it reloads, but. And then stream controls div nth child. We might be able to specify that onto this one. Let's jump into this and we'll make a new file for the stream title. Touch streamtitly.module.css and says stream title, boom, boom, boom. I'm gonna grab this because it'll just easier than typing it back out. That is actually not what I wanted to grab. I wanted to grab the styles. And it is, oop. That one. Cool. And what do we want for it? We want padding to be non-existent. All right, let's pray, but nothing breaks. I'm going to give it a refresh and pray. Do you work for Destiny? No, not at all. So the reason that I'm like referencing all of Destiny stuff, I don't know the guy, never spoken to him, don't generally agree with a lot of his takes. Although I will say, like, ignoring all of the drama that's going on at the moment, he is someone that is able to have a conversation with differing perspectives without being like Vorsh or just a fucking retard trying to like shut it down. He doesn't really care about optics, as you can sort of tell for the moment. But his website is so his very, very old website is open sourced. So it's just sort of having a poke around, see what other people are doing. And I found the code base for that. The code is shocking. Like, it's really, really bad. It is very functional, but it's also shocking. But after seeing that, I was like, hey, I kind of wanted to do exactly the same thing. I don't have a good reason to do the same thing, but it's a fun project, something that I can work on a stream. The only thing that he can do now is stream through it. I'm not too sure. Like, I feel maybe his best bet would have just been to drop off the face of the planet for a month, come back like nothing happened. But the internet does what the internet does, and shit like pirate software, right? Like, I have a couple of issues with him. He's lied about a couple of other things than things that people are discussing, but the dude like bailed in one WoW dungeon, and now everyone is fucking going off about him 24/7. So maybe streaming through it is the best choice for Destiny. I know Pirate's trying it. I don't know how well it's going for him, but you can't be cancelled if you don't cancel yourself. Look at Dr. Disrespect. You're right. I think the people most likely to cancel Dr. Disrespect may in fact be the FBI. So generally in Dr. Disrespect's kind of situation, I was giving him the benefit of the doubt for a lot of it. Because if anything illegal was happening, the FBI would have been the ones to cancel him. And he wasn't. Like, there was no criminal charges as far as I'm aware. There was a gag order on both sides, which is pretty standard after a settlement. So I was giving him the benefit of the doubt. I thought the guy that was like chatting shit was just trying to clout chase a little bit. And then Mr. Disrespect took to Twitter to say, yeah, I fucking did it. And all that went out the window. He got remonetized on YouTube. I actually don't follow like the goings on of Dr. Disrespect that much. Like, I started to see his shorts on YouTube pop up, but I've never watched a single one of his actual streams or anything. Oh, sorry, give me a second. My cat is about to pull my computer apart. Give me, you little bastard. Say hello to the cat. He's very cute. He's also a little shit. Do you have anything you'd like to say? So true. Yeah, so that's the cat. he's still a baby. He's very cute, but he has the unfortunate taste for electronic cables. So I've got to keep an eye on him at all times. I did not even realize that the furry little bastard had somehow snuck into my room before I started streaming. Content wrapper. If we jump into this, where is that? Why did you open source DesktGD to get free labor potentially? Look, I don't know. Never spoken to the guy. I'll just pull up the GitHub of it real quick, right? Actually, let's go. Also, the code that he has open sourced isn't for this site that you see here at all. It's something that was worked on. I'll let you know in a second. This one. So it was last updated 2 years ago. If you've got any like PHP experience, hold up. So there's a bunch of really good frameworks for PHP, right? The one that I'm considering using is Laravel to handle a lot of the stuff that is sort of handled here in Destiny's website. Pretty much all his site actually does, like all this site does, is a bunch of API calls to PayPal for donations. There's also an endpoint in there for fucking Minecraft, so you can OAuth with Minecraft, which is interesting. But yeah, instead of using any actual framework or like containerization or anything, it's like, I want to say that there was a framework set up for it at some point, but they just sort of balls to the wall, fuck it, and just started writing random shit everywhere. So it is functional, and there are some impressive aspects. For example, I think it's a hard proxy. Yeah. So the like caching system that's been set up for it, as a little ASCII diagram of here, is actually really well set up. Like that is perfectly done. But all of the actual code, not quite so much. I kind of feel like probably the most likely reason that he did open source it was to, like, I don't actually know his politics that well or anything. I don't know his stances on most things. So I don't want to accuse him of being a champagne socialist or anything, but I feel like maybe he open sourced it to share the labor, both of the people working on it and allowing other people to either take inspiration or fork out and work on it themselves. Something that is cool about it though, and let me just jump back over there. Not that one, back over here, I think. The chat. So the chat, the one that I even have here, is also open source, and I've literally just pulled that from his repo at the moment. I need to do a bit of a rewrite for it, but not too much because it is pretty well written. But the backend for the chat, if I can find it, is a fork of an existing like messaging, Redis messaging queue system. The code for this, again, isn't great, but it works. But yeah, so I eventually, or if I can get away with it, I'll spin up a free Redis instance, and then use chat like that to populate it and do a couple of extra stuff, like trying to integrate it into Twitch chat, just because it's really difficult for me to actually monitor chat at the moment. So if you see me looking that way, it's because I've got my stream open on an entirely separate laptop over there so that I can see chat. What was I doing? It is this, formatting that bad boy. Boom, not that one. Not that one either. That one. Cool. Actually, no, that's not the right one either. I've got way too much shit open at the moment. All right. Today, Junior. I think it's this one. Maybe it isn't that one. Yep, no, it's that one. Cool. Nope, it isn't that one. Fuck's sake. Hold up. All right, there we go. Cool. Hopefully by the end of this stream, after I sort of fix up these pages a little bit, I'll look at spinning up like a standalone chat instance. I do have like compose files for everything, like even Destiny's site. I need to rewrite a bunch of stuff so it would fucking work first of all, and then containerize it all so I can just spin it up and down with Docker. But hopefully we'll be able to get the chat up, and yeah, that'll be that on that. Where am I sitting? Content wrapper. Oop. I think it was just padding left 0. Nope. Why is there still, is it margin? Yes. All right. Cool. Stream title. So where is the stream title being shoved in from here? Maybe I just wrapped this in a div like that instead, which isn't the best way, but let's just see if that fixes it. Or at least gets it to an acceptable state. I'm not a huge fan of using shit like float, right? And display. Unless we do just set this to margin auto, and then also add in margin left 0. Yeah, that'll work. Hang on. Margin. Auto and then margin left as well. That should sit okay. It did not sit okay, in fact. Padding left. Cool. Yeah, that's about right. I'll probably drop some of the padding off down the bottom. Maybe. Padding 1 rem. Let's just go padding bottom 0. I'm not too sure if I do want. Yeah, no, I probably do want to add this padding back. Maybe we want to drop the chat size. So let me just pull Dusty's back up so I can yoink some inspiration. Where the fuck did I put it? That one. Alright, so this is how he sits. And then if we shrink it down, it drops those buttons off entirely. So if I was to do the same here, oh god damn it, I've lost the fucking Alright, I'm gonna close this and then I'm gonna send this one over to another tab. What do I have here? That's stream stuff. That is chat GPT. So let's send that one over to there. This one can actually also go over there. Cool. Now everything is more or less where it should be. So if we hide the stream controls, display none, that'll then drop it down in an okay position. Especially when it is sort of in this not big state, I probably will need to get rid of all of the padding as well, which is a little bit disappointing. And the, jump back up to chat panel. And the width and the border? Nope. Why is that off? Where the fuck's the border? Oh, it's in the chat wrap. That makes sense. So we get rid of that padding. Yeah, no, I probably do want to add that padding back. And where the fuck is the goddamn padding? I've added it straight to the iframe. Let's just jump back up to the stream wrap and turn that back on. I guess that's okay. It's not great, but I guess it's okay. Something that I'll also quickly add is the option here. You can see it's got cinema mode. So if I move this back up here, this just sort of hides the header and footer. So just full screens that section. So I should be able to do that by literally just hiding the header. And also getting rid of padding, because I totally forgot that I added the padding to accommodate for the thingamawhat's-it. Yep. Not that one, and get rid of this padding as well. And then that sits more or less the same. If I move it across, definitely a lot of stuff there that can be fixed, but like that's not too bad. Like when it sits like that. Also, I do have my quality set all the way down, so now I've got it set all the way down, so I don't hammer my bandwidth too much. If we drop that off, that one, this also has padding, doesn't it? Yes. Drop those out and the outline as well. Switching it over. Why does this still seem to have padding around it? Maybe I just haven't set the height correctly. Yeah. Not that one. That would fit it a lot better. Maybe I'll try adding, that'll actually probably will fuck this embed, but I guess we'll sort of deal with that as it comes up. Cool, I've made so many changes, and I don't even know if I like half of these changes, but let's just do a quick check. So stream controls, display none. We will need to do that. So where's the stream controls? That is in this one. And that's this one. So that's the path. We're going to need to add in the cinema mode, like options. So that's chat controls. I don't know if I have the chat controls component. Yeah, so I think I'm going to need to add maybe chat panel tools, right? So if I grab this and just slap that onto this one instead, let's see what happens. That does add that spacing. All right, cool. Yeah, so that might be worth doing. So that's chat panel tools. So it's down here. And we've got that set in the big screen. Let's copy. Actually, I'll just copy the entire fucking rule and then I'll paste it in and fix it up. Boom, boom. Hang on, what the fuck was it? Chat panel tools. Boom. I think. Nope, shit. And chat controls. Yeah, no, that's right. Hopefully this won't refresh and I'll lose everything. Cool. Let's pop open another one of these just so that we can see how it actually looks. That would need to be included in the spacing, the border outline, if we don't want it to look like shit. So let me grab this and I just sort of drag it down. So that's the chat wrap. If I was to drop this straight into the chat wrap, I think I've just lost it. Yes, I have. Display, flex, padding, height. I guess we probably need to set the position to be, like, I would have thought relative would have been the right one, but maybe not. So maybe we set a display value. Or it's just entirely going to overwrite it with this. Or I've hidden it. Nope, I haven't hidden it. I'm not too sure. Huh. All right, I'm just going to refresh it again. Chat wrap, chat panel tools. Actually, maybe if I grab this and we grab all of this and we just set that to the entire chat panel. And then we're going to need to get rid of it from the embed. I don't think that'll be a nice, clean way of getting that to behave. Let's drop the padding out entirely. And probably that one is... Okay, no, maybe we do need that one. Definitely looks like there is a bit of padding still causing issues. Hmm. I definitely want to leave that one on there. What if we just set, whoop, not that, height to 100% and just, what does that do? That. And can we? No, we can't. Ugh. Yeah. I guess we just drop off the padding. Oh, sorry, not the padding. The outline at the top. Or we get rid of the border for this one. Border bottom. I don't know why we'd need a border bottom. So what are the ones that we are missing? Boom, 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 boom. That's all fine. Oh, the cinema mode is what we are missing. I think it's this one. Yeah. So that's chat controls. Let me grab that and just paste it in just to make sure that I'm not doing anything stupid. Refresh theater mode. So let's grab that, paste it in, see what happens. So that is just below the refresh. So we're going to edit this as HTML. Oop, shit. Whack that in there. And that's how it look. So jumping back over to that one. Let's yoink that for the button. And I'm just going to apply it directly to the element. Yeah, that more or less looks okay. And we need to set the color as well. Boom. I'm not too sure why this does not have FA sync. Do I not have fucking font, what you call it, installed? Hang on, what is that? Is that part of the chart? No, that is not actually part of the chart. Why do I not have Font Awesome installed? Like, I don't remember the exact command to add it, or even what the most recent version of Font Awesome is. There's no way I'm signing up. Let's just grab this. I just check that I'm in the right place. Into that one, into that one, into that one. Boom. Hopefully this will then do what it should be doing. I don't care. Yoink. Jump back over. Let's refresh it and see if the Font Awesome icons are now there. Doesn't look like it. Does not look like it. Maybe like I just like the ideally I'd just be able to chuck in a CDN inclusion of it, and that should take care of it because I don't want to have to deal with like managing the font awesome package, because why the fuck would I want to do that? And I don't think they do actually. I don't think it is set to use the class name. Oh yeah, no, it is. Cool. Let's whack that in there. And pray. Fail to compile. All right. So I actually might have to use this. I don't remember how to save, like what the equivalent for this command is in Yarn. So let me jump over here and find this bad boy. Start a new conversation. Convert this to a Yarn command. Like I don't even know if you can like dash save Yarn. Yeah, no. Oh, it's just straight up the normal add font awesome. And I added something totally different. Yarn workspace. Add. Fuck. Whatever, I'm just going to go into it so I don't need to worry about workspaces and pasting and all that bullshit. Alright. And then let's refresh it once again. I probably will need to do the, like this inclusion. But in case not, can't remember, yeah, so I'm probably going to need to do that in port method. That probably isn't right. I don't know if that'll even work actually. I will need to like work out how deep to traverse, just like I need to work out how deep to traverse your mother. All right, so 1, 2, 3. I think that was it. I think. Or maybe one less. Yeah. All right, let's try that. Hopefully that'll be right. Nope, can't resolve it. Why? All right, cool. That seems to be behaving. Doesn't seem to be working, but it is behaving, which is the important part. So these, where was one that had a FA function in there? Yeah, this one. So why is it not doing what it should be doing? Install font awesome and God, that's annoying. Hang on, actually, can I do that then? Why the fuck are they saving dev here? I don't, whoops, fuck me. I mean, if you have a like tree shaking set up correctly, I guess you wouldn't need to, you wouldn't need to include the entire thing, but boom, yeah, all right. Boom. And then this, hopefully. I'm just going to shrink that down in the meantime and save this. And hopefully it'll then start reloading. Hey, we have success. After all of that, I finally successfully included the easiest package to install on the planet. Anyway, so all of these, we're going to need to do something to set the styling, all right? So let's just see what the styling is set here. So that's just chat controls button. I don't even think that is a button on my end. Yeah, hang on, let me, yeah, no, it's not. All right, whatever. Let's add this. Boom. I don't think that behaved like I wanted it to at all. Let's grab that onto this one. Just make sure that they are sort of lining up. All right, yeah, no. Buttons, button. Nope. I don't know if I have a like clean button. All right, what's this? Imported from, I haven't imported a button. Like, I'm sure fucking Next has buttons, right? Oh, fucking link. What am I saying? All right, so where am I? I think it's stream controls. Yes, cool. Oh, and I've already got link. Hang on. Control badges. I've entirely lost where the fuck this is set. I'm going to just search for this because I'm an idiot. All right, there we go. All right, cool. All right, so let's jump back over here, grab link. Actually, do we want a link? I'm pretty sure you can use a link without it actually linking, but still. All right, on refresh, on click refresh. Hang on, where the fuck's on refresh? Alright, let's drop that out. Nope. What does link take? I need to update my language server. XJS link. I don't want to do any of this. No longer required the child of link. Force the link to send the HTML property. Scroll to the top page of navigation. Shall we update the path current page? I actually don't think I want any of those. Let's just search for button. I don't think there is a Whoop, shit. Let's go form button. Is this just straight up like an actual button, like pure straight up HTML button? So let's go boom. Let's see what happens there. What have I broken? Shouldn't have broken anything. Also div ID chat panel. Div ID chat panel. We close that out so it like looks a little bit cleaner. We could do the same for that one. Whoop. Curiouser. Alright, fuck up, we're going back to the link. Yeah, I don't think, oh wait, what the fuck am I talking about? I'm using Tailwind. Tailwind button. I was about to say I'm not using a framework, but I'm like 99% sure I've got Tailwind in this bad boy. Let's grab this one as well. And we want something a little bit simpler than that, to be honest. Oh, and now the page has died. Cool. Let's grab this bad boy. Let's just wrap that entire thing in that. Obviously, we need to change some styling and that kind of stuff. What's the next button that we've got in line here? So let's close that one. Close. What the fuck was it? It's not even going to do anything. I haven't added in any of this functionality, so that does make sense. I'm going to add in the cinema mode though, because that is something that I do definitely want to yoink. Let's close that one. So let's yoink. Probably leave that about where it is. Obviously, like I've been saying a lot, I'm going to need to go through and update everything, fix it all up a lot. But for now, whoop. And the color. It's okay. It's okay. Probably also need to actually set up that like embed/chat page so that we can pop it out. But let's not worry about that for now. Let's kill this one and kill that. And then those ones, I think we want to float the other side. Do these have the same? They don't actually. So what would happen if I was to grab this? And that's, nope, wrong place. Hang on, they do have float, right? So why is this not taking effect? Hello? Whatever. Alright, chat panel. Must be the display settings that we have. Maybe not. That's fine. That's okay. But these aren't floating right. Oh, that would probably be the ticket. So now we've got this, and we'd want to set flex grow to 1. That makes sense. All right, cool. What's the styles? Big screen module. All right, so we actually want to call this that. And then we'll set flex grow to 1. And now it should stay where it should be. Cool. And then these icons, how are they sitting nicely? So that's chat controls. What if I grab this, right? And we go boom, boom, yoink. Will this put them in a reasonable position? No, it will not. I'm not too sure why it's also complaining about that. So let's jump back up. Chat panel. Let's grab one of these buttons. Not that one. Let's go to this one. Oh, because they're not fucking buttons. What am I saying? So we actually want to add it like that, and I think that should be it. Nope. Fuck it. If it was to add something there, nope. All right, let's get rid of that ID entirely. So it should then allow me to, nope, also don't want that one. Grab, boom. No, it just defaulted to straight up A. What's the parent called? Chat panel. And then we'll go chat panel.a. Boom. Copy, paste. I am not too sure I can't do this like that. Is that gonna, nope. That wasn't what I meant to click on. Fuck it. We're just gonna wrap all of these in buttons as well. So that's that one could go here. Whatever. Boop. That should be about right. And now they should all be wrapped in buttons. Yep, cool. Can I? Nope. Still wants to prioritize the thingamwhatsit. So let's get rid of the ID and the classes for these. No, again, it's, why will it just not let me select the goddamn selector? CSS selector. And we don't want to give a shit about the child. Copy that. Paste that. There we fucking go. All right, cool. Not a huge fan of the sizing either. Button, blah, 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 blah. Padding, that's all fine. So the SVG sizing is 18 by 18. I'm not too sure if I'll be able to, actually, what if I move this straight up one? And then select that. Nah. All right, let's drop. Actually. My brain's starting to turn into a mashed potato, so I'm probably going to call it for the night. Actually, before I call it for night, I'm just going to push everything up, save everything, push it all up, deploy it out. But yeah, hopefully I'll be able to do a bit more work on this tomorrow. So please remember to like and subscribe. Even though you can't like on Twitch, I just got into the habit of saying it ironically, and now I can't stop. But yeah, on my way to 420 followers, I think it is. Followers, subscribers, whichever one's free. And hopefully I'll be able to hit that point soon-ish. And it's literally an arbitrary number, but if you can help out, it means a lot. Cool. Let me just boom in here. Also because I am mentally deficient, instead of just being able to push shit up and having a GitHub action trigger off to build everything, I need to manually build it with Vercel build, Vercel deploy, and then manually go in and promote it to production. The reason for that is not just because my brain is smoother than a hairless cat. I tried messing around with a, not turbo repo, Maybe it is turbo repo. No, it's not. Whatever it's called when you have shit ton of projects in one Git repo. And I've had a couple of issues with the deployment around that, which I probably could solve in like an hour or two, hopefully less, but I could just spend an extra 2 minutes deploying it, and that's good enough for me. Oop, what the fuck's going on here? Oh, that's fine. Yeah, cool. Maybe I will add in the cinema mode just before I call it a night. So deploy. So real quick, boom. Jump back into here. Hope I've got the code still up. Cinema mode, cool. I am gonna need a state. And I don't think I've got too many states around, unfortunately. Yeah. I don't really want, I mean, like, if I can get away with it, I don't want to have to add in context, but I might have to. Which, Jesus Christ, like jumping through the code, you can see where I, like, when I've properly been writing code, how it looks nice and pretty. And as I open this, it's like, holy shit, this is bad. I mean, it works, but good God, I need to fix all of that up. Something else that I will do while on that note is, where the fuck is, prettier? Why do I not have a thing for prettier? Saving. Now, yarn exec. Nope. I was gonna run this. Not enough position to organize. Yarn run. Prettier. Oop. Yeah, that'll do. I'm praying everything's in .source. Maybe it isn't. Yeah, it is. Let's jump back in here. I don't know if that actually did anything, because it should have listed the difference. Unless I've got it set to not make any changes to, yeah, like that. I was going to say, maybe I just don't have it set to format like CSS files, but shit like this, it definitely should have formatted. So let's run the same thing again. Oh, fuck me. TS should be .tsx. There we go. That makes sense. Cool. So that's fixed up a couple of those pages. So let's jump around a bit. Yeah, that looks a lot better. All right, cool. Hang on, let me just check if it did do yarn run prettier. I don't want to list, actually, yeah, no, I don't want to list the, okay, I'm just going to copy and paste this bad boy. List differences, .src, any folder, anything, .css. I don't know if it will. Yes, it will. All right, cool. Yeah. So I'm then just gonna, boop. Right. So that now it'll format CSS. I don't know if I've got it set up to format CSS nicely, but I mean, it's better than it was. It's better than it was, so that it'll do. That'll do. Cool. Anyway, cinema mode. So I think that's big screen. And what do we have? What do we want it to do? So when we hit cinema mode, we want it to hide the header, hide everything down here. Now let's move it this way. Pretty much hide everything other than the chat and the thing. What's it? Fuck, that looks horrible, but we can fix that later. Cool. So let's search out header, blog header. Actually, no, that's the homepage header, I think. Now, let me just check what it is. Maybe nav? Oh, yeah, no, I think that is just like an actual header. So I'm going to do one of these searches for header. Yeah, it should be this one, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, that looks right. I really don't want to have to add in a context, but I think I'm going to have to. Let's do a search for this where it's implemented. Oh yeah, no, that's where I am. Head to page header. Yeah, all right, fuck up. Nope, that was not what I wanted to do. It's been a while since I have MK'd contexts. Touch. This is going to be, what's it called? Like full screen cinema mode. Cinema mode. That's not how you spell cinema. Fuck me, I mean, cinema mode.tsx. Cool. Yep. So we want to import. What do we want? I mean, firstly, I think we want React. Use effect, use state. Fuck me, it's been. Let me just pull over to another project because my brain's getting a little bit fuzzy. Change word. Let's go to this one. And where's the context that I can reference? Let's take a look at this one because I think it's pretty small. What do we have? Yeah, I think the analytics context is pretty like straightforward. So I'm just gonna grab that. Actually, I'm gonna grab the entire fucking thing and just copy and paste it because it's a long day. It's always been a long day. Anyway, export type. Cinema. Fuck me. I keep forgetting how to spell cinema mode. Cinema mode context state. Is cinema set cinema mode. Boom, 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 boom. Actually, should it be? I think I want to. Oh no, that'll be fine. Whatever. And then I'll just throw this into the app. Import. What is it? Nope. Shit. Let me jump back to the context. And we're going to wrap this, get layer, relayer, provider. Hang on, what the fuck's provider? Hang the fuck on. I have no clue why the fuck I call them providers and not contexts. Whatever. We'll pretend that that is not the case. Cinema mode context provider, and we'll leave that within the normal provider. Let's make sure that it doesn't crash everything. Cool. So what do we want to do? Then I think it is in stream controls. We want context, this one, and cinema mode context. Hang on. Where the fuck? Oh, stream control. Where the fuck is this? I've lost the goddamn cinema mode. Oh, theater mode. Fuck me. And chat controls. That makes sense. All right. Import. Boom. Boom. Actually, are we able to do this like that? Potentially not. Unless we also pass in the cinema context here, which I'm not too sure. I'm just fucking, yeah. Hold up. We're doing chat GPT again. Context. And we're deleting all of this. Write this. Boom, boom, boom. Boom. Add toggle for cinema mode on click to the button context. Let's jump back and panels. Please don't fuck my shit up, Mr. ChatGPT, but it's only midnight, but fuck, it's been a day. It's always been days. Cool, let's check this one. It's doing something I don't like. I don't actually think that is fine. So how do they do it? Oh yeah, that makes sense. All right, actually I probably could just copy that entire thing. So the reason that I did that was because how it is set here, it just directly returns it as an anonymous function, and I didn't want to have to like deal with thinking about splitting it out. But if they want to split it out, that is all good for me. Let's just leave that and see what happens. Let's check the components just to check that it does actually change. Now let's refresh it. Whoop, did it die? I just stopped fucking running it. That makes sense, that makes sense. Oop, looks like it's having a hard time here. You can do it, buddy. I believe in you. Can't resolve that. Why can't it resolve that? Oop. Oop. Ah. I don't know if there is an S in contexts. Oh yeah, and on that. Cool. I don't search for sin. Actually, let's just go context and I hope that it shows up. Where the fuck is the React thingamot's? Where is my React context extension? Oh, whatever. I guess we use this one. It's not nearly, I mean, it works, but it's not as nice as the like a React component one. React not found on this page. Hit it again. So a couple of errors there, but they are all around like the auth through next auth, which really doesn't matter. All right, what do we got? Session provider, motion sphere, context, timeout error occurred. There we go. Today, Junior. Cool. Cool. And let's check that it will do what it should when I click it. Does not seem to have done the right thing. So let's turn that on. Oh yeah, and then that switches out to exit, but clicking it itself does not seem to toggle it. So let's go back to the tools, I think it was, stream controls. And what was it? Syn. Chat panel. Boom, boom. Toggle cinema mode. Actually, that should be working, so I'm not too sure why it wouldn't be. Toggle cinema mode. State exit. That actually should be fine. Unless there's something going on wacky with the like the sizing of it. So let's just set this like padding 1 RAM, right? Just so we can guarantee to like click on it. Now let's close this just in case that's also conflicting. No. We do have an event on click function loop. I don't think that's right, but fuck it, why not? Yeah, I'm not too sure. I've been having a time here. I mean, let's console log toggle cinema mode just to check if that it is like registering the click properly. Right, boom, 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 boom. Yeah, that's working. Oh, I need to fucking use effect. God, I am a fool. There we go. Cool. And then we want to use the effect, and then every time it changes, we want to factor that in. How? I have no clue what the fuck this is going to do, but let's click on it and find out. Hold up. Yeah. So actually not that one. Let's just grab all of this and see what happens. Boom. Let's check that that's not. Actually I think we would want to set that for fucking changing on cinema mode, but whatever. Let's kill this. It doesn't seem to have actually done anything. Let's listen to some pumped up kicks. I finally got around to watching the movie, what's it called? Guns Akimbo with Daniel Radcliffe. And it's just like a fucking hour and a half music video for Three Teeth. It goes so hard, honestly. Yoink. Let's try this one instead then. That is a lot more like I was expecting it to appear. Boom. Let's refresh it just in case. And let's just double check that we do have use effect and all that good stuff. That's all in place. Let's click. Oh, hang on, what the fuck was that? I just saw a huge message. I know it's a pub sub for the what you call it chat. I have no clue what like any of these are gonna do because I'm like not reading them. I'm literally just copying and pasting it like I have an IQ of a rusty teaspoon. That can't be right. Let's kill this. State is in mode active. I don't think I need to do anything with this to change how it renders. Like I would have, hang on, so state. Actually, fuck it. Console log state. Right, so every time the state changes, I want to see it in the console. I want to see its current state in the console. Boom. That's not changing the state. Oop. Why? Why? Right, boom. Oh, fuck me. I probably should have not just imported that. Actually, is it this? Yes, that's what I want to do. And then we get rid of that. And then we go set state, blah, blah, blah. That looks a little bit better, I think. Maybe not. I know, we do still have the errors. Yeah, not eligible. Alright, so that is not right. Needs to be that one. I mean, can we go state? Fuck me. State itself isn't going to change, but state.is mode should change. God, maybe yeah. Oh, what is that actually complaining about? Set in mode is not a function. Isn't that a function? Go use context. Cinema context. Oh, maybe it isn't. So maybe we do have to explicitly import it as state. This mode is false on both. So why is this doing that? Like, assumably, I should be able to go state.isCinema mode. I'm going to log that before and after, and theoretically, it should toggle it. Unless it isn't actually wrapped in the context provider, which would be really annoying to find out. Come on, buddy, you can do it. False. Yeah, so it's not actually changing it. Why is it not changing it? Unless we boom, boom, boom. And on chain, so we'd then. Yeah, I don't know. Fuck up getting ChatGPT to do again. Oop, that is not what I wanted to do. I can't believe I need to ask ChatGPT to do something as simple as fucking setting a state, but whatever. It is what it is. Alright. Yoink. Yeah, that's what I was trying to fucking do before. I swear, that is like what I did before. I guess we'll find out. Nope, we have some errors, maybe. Or my computer's just getting really slow. State is not defined. That does kind of make sense. So where's state? Let's get rid of that one. And we'll do a search again, get rid of that one. And that should be about right. Cool. And let's kill this. Let's get rid of this error because I don't care. Kill this one as well. Let it load myself. And let's click. Toggling cinema mode false. Toggling cinema mode true. Alright, that seems to now be behaving. So when we turn on cinema mode, what we want to do is what was it? It's the fucking header navigation or some shit. Literally header. Yeah, probably this one. Nope, not that one. That is, once again, the actual, like, CTA header. That's, yeah, that nav bar it must be. Right, so I think we want to then, we don't want the context provider. I think we want that one. That from that does not exist. Oh, actually, yeah, no, oh, hang on. Let me jump back into the like controls. And then header. Hang on. No, wrong one. No, but yeah, that's the one. Boom. Boom. And hang on, is this the right one? I don't think this is the right one. I think this is the other header that I have. Jesus Christ, lol. Header. Actually, I think this is it. That's no, also not that one. All right, whatever. Import use path name simple context. And we should hopefully just be able to go that. or that. And we want to flip this. Hopefully. Maybe not. Right, if that equals false. That also doesn't look right to me, to be honest. Yeah, hang on. I thought I could do that. So I'm not too sure why it's... An object member cannot be declared optional. I'm not too sure what the fuck it's talking about here. I don't. Unless we can just return nothing, like we can set that above it in here. And we can just do that. And the context is wrong because I didn't actually add the word context to it. Cool. So if I click this, doesn't seem to be doing what I want it to do. I don't actually know if I did wrap the header in the thingamawhatsit. So let's check the component and we'll see if it has, come on, this header, navbar, come on. I'm just gonna, maybe not, yeah, I'm gonna close that one at least so we can get a bit more RAM back. This is taking such a long time to load, it's insane. Yeah, no, definitely looks like the context provider is there. Is cinema mode false? Come on. Yeah, that should be fine. Navbar. What the fuck is this complaining about? Oh, I just doubled up on it. That's fine. I have no clue why that doesn't have... Oh, I'm not using the fucking state again. Oh my god. Actually, do we need the state? Fuck it, chat GPT time. Hide the nav when cinema is true. Yeah, no, that looks exactly like it should. Like exactly like I've got, right? Like, boom. That's identical. Unless I should find the actual navbar and not the header. Because does the header have the property? It does not either. Hang on. Nope. Fuck's sake. Alright. Let's do search for navbar. Fuck me. Oh no, wait, hang on. Hang on. That looks a lot better. So let's grab that, I guess. And let's comment that out. But I still can't see the thingamawhatsit in the header. like the property there. And